Probably 3 years ago now. I was engaged to be married. We had a great relationship, really didn't fight much. Everything seemed great, but inside, leading up to the wedding, I just had no peace. I really didn't know what I was feeling. I just knew I didn't like what I was feeling. A few weeks before the wedding, it was getting pretty close. I called my mom and I just asked her, like, what do? I don't know what I'm feeling, but it doesn't feel good and I just don't have any peace inside. Like, am I supposed to be feeling this way? And she told me to get alone. I ended up going to a hotel for 3 days. I looked up, what do I want my future to be? I got alone with God. I just journaled my time with the Holy Spirit. And after those 3 days, I had so much clarity about the exact decision that I was supposed to make. And I just had direction. Like, I knew exactly what I was supposed to do. I knew the next steps that I was supposed to take. And truly, since applying those habits, I've never looked back. I've never questioned that decision. And really, the last 3 years of my life have really been the best years. I have so much more clarity, confidence, direction.